What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Google Maps with this crazy new method. And as you can see here, the last Google Maps video I did went absolutely viral and a ton of you loved it. But even so, I still had a couple of those people saying, oh, this is too much work. I have to email the businesses to make the money. But this method is so much more simple because not only can you do it all by yourself as a complete beginner without having to reach out to any businesses, but you can literally do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. And if you stay until the end on this video, I'm going to show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So if you're excited, just make sure to smash that like button. Let's get into the video. All right, so the first step before we actually use Google Maps is we go to a tool called Ubersuggest. So if you just go to ubersuggest.com or Google Ubersuggest, it will take you to this page. And this is what we're gonna use to find keywords that are gonna allow us to make money. And there's a lot of keyword research tools out there, but this is by far the most affordable one. Not to mention they have a free trial. Like all the other ones, you have to pay money for a trial, which is ridiculous in my opinion. Plus, you can cancel it at any time, so you don't have to pay a single dollar. And then you just go up here to pricing, and then you just hit start your free trial. The individual plan is fine. If you do want to pay lifetime, that's great. I'm not associated with this website at all, so choose whatever you want. But again, just start your free trial here and sign up. Easy peasy. All right, so after you've got your account all set up, you're gonna go right here to Keyword Analyzer and then go to Keyword Ideas and type in hotels near. The reason this is such a good keyword is because people are just itching to get back out and start traveling again. Like if you look into Google Trends, it's crazy trending right now. So because of that, we're able to make a ton of money once you get the right keywords and you follow this strategy, okay? But you see right here, it says SEO difficulty and then volume. Okay, so we want something with a low SEO difficulty because it's going to make it easier for us to rank at the top page. And the higher we rank, the more money we're going to make. Yes, you're going to have a lower monthly search volume, but the big companies, they don't want those low search volumes, right? So this is how we're just going to start scooping up money. And the way we're going to make it easy to find these low difficulty and low competition ones is you're going to go right here to filter. And then I would do a max of SEO difficulty, like a max of 20 or 30. And then you just hit apply right there. And now you can see the SEO difficulty. Deals for hotels near me. Hotels near me with pool. You want to stay away from anything that says near me. Google is just going to sort that by their location. But right here, hotels near Wisconsin Dells, 1,600 monthly volume, 10 difficulty. That's actually insane because Wisconsin Dells is pretty popular. And then you got hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, right? 260 search volume. And we can probably make $25 per 100 search volume with this method. So that 260, that's $60 a month just from this one keyword. And you can have unlimited keywords. And we'll get into all of that again, so don't worry. But we'll just choose this one, for example, hotels near Fargo, North Dakota. So now is when we're gonna go back into Google Maps and we're gonna go to Fargo, North Dakota. I guess we need to specify, okay? So now we're in Fargo, right? And you can hit this hotels button here and it's gonna show us the hotels near Fargo. So you see all these hotels here? So where is Fargo exactly? Let's see here. I think it's right here. Let's take that off for a second. Fargo's right there. Okay, so let's type in hotels again. Okay, so let's take these three right here. We'll just click on this one. Okay, so this is Hotel Donaldson. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up a notepad. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that, you're gonna paste Hotel Donaldson right there. Now you're gonna just start taking their amenities and all the details about this place. So the ratings right there. So let's copy that. Paste that in there. That's not gonna work. The stars aren't gonna work. So let's just say 4.5 stars, 322 reviews, and it's a 3-star hotel. Can you see that? Let me make this bigger. Let's just make it all bigger. Hopefully that's better. Okay, so then you see their highlights right there. So right here, so we're just gonna type in hot tub, near public transit, good for nightlife, great location, phone number, 701-478-1000. Okay, you also want their address. Make sure you copy their address and let's put that right there. And then again, we're gonna scroll down. You see right here, hotel details. So we'll just copy all of that in right there. and then you would just type in these. This isn't probably gonna work because of the icons, but we'll just paste it in for example, so you have them. And that probably took us like a minute, right? And you would do that for the other 3 hotels. I'm just gonna leave it with just that one for example purposes, but I think you get the idea, right? But the next step is probably the most important step, because this is what's gonna run our entire business and allow us to actually make the money. And this is with something called WordPress, okay? This is a website creation platform. It's completely open source and free, and literally 42% of the web is built on WordPress. So it's definitely a good place to be. But you're not gonna have to learn how to create like an actual website or anything like that. We're just gonna make simple blog posts in WordPress. But before we can actually start creating those blog posts, we do need a web host. If you already have a web host, you're good. You just would probably want a different domain name. But if you don't have a web host, I suggest using Bluehost. And this is what I use for my personal blog and my personal website. And if you use the link down below, it will take you to this page and you can actually get a discount. Okay, so you just click get started here. And if you pay for the 36-month plan, that is gonna be the cheapest. You could literally just start with basic, all right? This is one website. That's the only difference, is you get unlimited websites with the other plans. But if all you can afford is 12 months at a time for $6, I think that's what, like $60 or something like that, $70. And remember, you can make like $25 for every 100 search volume. So it's not gonna take much for you to be profitable, as long as you follow along with the rest of these steps, that is. Okay, so choose whichever one works best for your situation. But the nice thing about Bluehost that I love is you get a free domain for 1 year. And the whole setup with WordPress is all integrated in Bluehost, and it takes literally minutes. And when it comes to picking domains, I just use namecheap.com to see if they're available before I actually pick them in Bluehost. But you could go super niche specific and have a website just about Fargo hotels. So bestfargohotels.com is a great website, like domain name. Or you could be like midwesthotels.com. And then, oh, that's way too expensive. Let's try best Midwest hotels. There you go. That's a good one. Then you can have hotels of all hotels in the Midwest rather than just Fargo. So there's positives and negatives to each of those, but sometimes the more niche specific one will help you rank higher in Google faster. So just keep that in mind. But after you get that all set up, that's when we actually go into our WordPress site and create a blog post. So you go to posts, add new, and this is when we literally copy and paste our notes onto here. And then also we go into Ubersuggest and we grab our title, hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, and then that's our title. Now for this first paragraph right here, you could do a couple of different things. So you could literally keep it as basic as, here are the best hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, and then list it 1, 2, 3, whatever, right? Or what you could do is you could Google what I did, interesting facts about Fargo, North Dakota. Having like an interesting fact at the start could get people's like attention. It could make them like really like your blog. So we could do something like here. It used to be underwater. Okay, so check this out. I'm just gonna copy and paste this, but obviously you wouldn't wanna do that. We could do something like, I know you're looking for hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, ... But did you know that it used to be underwater, right? So let's delete that. We don't want it to be a heading. That it used to be underwater, ? So then you say that, and then you could say, I just thought it would be cool to learn about the place you're about to stay at. Or I just thought it would be cool to learn an interesting fact about the place you're about to stay at. But now, here's the best hotels near Fargo, North Dakota. So then what you could do here is you could say, let's say you're gonna list 5 or something. We could say 5 hotels near Fargo, North Dakota. And we could make this a heading, and you want it to be a heading 2. Then what you would want to do is go to heading 3. So right here, we're going to change it to heading 3, and then we're going to call that Hotel Donaldson. So hotel number 1, Hotel Donaldson. Because you want your blog post for SEO, you want it to be kind of sectioned off. And I'm not the best at writing blog posts. This probably isn't the best way to do it. But like, this is our heading 1. Okay, that's our title, our heading 1. This is our main heading 2. So it's about what the rest of the post is about. So then heading 3s are gonna be each of the 5 hotels, if that makes sense, okay? And this is what most people don't teach in basic YouTube videos, but this is gonna give you a better chance to rank because you're actually putting in the actual work. And again, I'm not the best at writing, but this is just what I know about SEO, okay? And now this is where the notes come into play, right? So you could say something like, all right, so here's the address, right? So Hotel Donaldson is located at, and they have a 4.5 star rating with 322 reviews, and it's a 3-star hotel, okay? That way you're making it more of a sentence. And then this is literally where you just copy and paste. So like highlights. So then I would probably bold that, you know, and then you would take these, because these were the highlights, right? Okay, and then you would do amenities, copy and paste those. And if you want to do the bullets, you could just put a dash and then space. So free Wi-Fi, and then parking available, air conditioned, laundry service, pet friendly. You see what I'm saying? It's so easy. Room service, restaurant, airport shuttle, hot tub, fitness center, bar, smoke free. Then you could say hotel details right here. Hotel details. And then paste that in there. And as you can see, this is like a complete blog post. Like obviously we need to put more than one, right? Like I taught you, just repeat this for the others, but this doesn't take long at all. And it's me teaching you how to do it. This would take a couple minutes. But now if you wanted to like just have this as like a completely passive side hustle, you could go to places like Fiverr and hire people to do it for you for like $5, right? So I'll leave a link down below and that'll take you to this page. And this is like the best of the article writers on here, but make sure you go to budget max $5. Now you can get people to do it for literally $5 and they'll do the whole thing and it would be completely passive. But regardless of how you get these articles written on your blog, you aren't just gonna start making money because you got some blog posts about the best hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, right? So this is where affiliate marketing comes into play. Now, you may know what affiliate marketing is, but if you don't, this is where we could add links to other companies' products on our blog post. And when someone reading our blog clicks on that link, and then goes to that company's product and purchases it, we get a commission for referring them. So it's basically like referral marketing. And what's the one product people who are looking for hotels near Fargo, North Dakota will need? A hotel booking website. And booking.com is one of the best ones. But what I did before I ever found this is I just Googled the highest paying travel affiliate programs. And you can see right here, best travel affiliate programs. Expedia, not bad, 11% commissions. Hotels, Amazon Associates, Booking.com, up to 40% commissions. But what you got to do is you got to go to booking.com affiliate program, okay? And then it's right here. So you just click there and then it will take you to this page right here. And all you got to do is join. It's completely free. It took me literally like 10 seconds to do. And then you'll go to this page right here, okay? So they have actually a ton of cool widgets you can put on your website, like literally like a Google Maps widget, a search box, deals finder, all these different things, right? But we're just gonna use the link tool and keep it basic at the start. But if you want me to, I can go way more in depth on like the next video if you really like this one. So make sure to comment down below. But we'll just click right here to links or go to products and then go to links right there. And now what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna select right here. You wanna go to the hotel page and then country, so United States, city, we're going to Fargo, and then leave the dates with nothing, leave the guests with nothing, and then hit show a list of links. So then what was the name of it? So Hotel Donaldson, we'll search for that, and there's the hotel. Okay, so this link right here, you see how it has AID and then these numbers? So that's affiliate ID and then those numbers. So that's our customized affiliate link. So when someone clicks that link and purchases, we get a commission. But now that you understand how it works, now I got to show you how to actually implement it so you can start making the money. Okay, so we're gonna take this link here and we're gonna copy it. So right click, copy, or Control C, whatever you do. And then we're gonna go back here. And remember, the more times people click this link, the more money you're gonna make. So what I would do is I would highlight Hotel Donaldson here. And then up here, you'll see this link and then you'll paste it in there. I always have it open in a new tab and then you just click right there and now it's highlighted. But then what you wanna do is you wanna go right here and hit this little plus button. and then go to buttons. And then I would say something like book this hotel, or maybe like check availability, something like that, whichever you want to go. And then you want to click on this, and then you want to add that link in there, open a new tab, click. All right, so that's good. But if you want to change the font size, you can make it bigger. That's probably way too big. And then you go to color right there, and you could make it blue, you could make it red, you could custom color like that, you can make it green like that. Okay, you can make the width bigger, smaller, however you want. And there you go. Now you got 2 places for that one hotel, and you would just repeat that for the other hotels near Fargo. And after you've done that for that, what you want to do is you want to go back to Ubersuggest, type in hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, and check this out. Hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, pet friendly. Hotels near Fargo, North Dakota, fully spelled out. So you would just repeat the same thing for all of those and do the same exact thing I just showed you, add your affiliate links, and you can start literally getting some nice small commissions coming in on autopilot. And all you got to do is write the article one time, and it's completely passive every single month. But now, I told you if you stayed until the end, I'd show you a bonus method that can make you even more money. So what if I told you that that bonus method could also make you money with affiliate marketing on autopilot? However, this is with high ticket affiliate marketing. So these aren't going to be small commissions on autopilot. These are going to be high ticket commissions. Speaking of which, I just literally got an email while I'm recording this video, and that's a $1,000 commission from just one sale on complete autopilot. And that's literally the exact affiliate program I personally used to make over 6 figures in just the last 12 months alone. And if you go down to the description down below, you'll see the first link at the top of the description. It says, join my 6-figure high ticket affiliate program. And don't worry, you don't have to pay some crazy amount of money. You can literally get started for just $7 with a super valuable 15-day challenge that gets you your entire business up and running. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down below. I'm happy to help. I'll respond to every single one. And then just make sure to smash the like button. And that's all I got. I'll see you on the next video.